Okay, so hi guys. Today I'm gonna fit 10 mm spacers in the front because 5 is not enough and I found some shaking in the wheels. So over about 80 miles an hour you can drive the car. So I'm gonna put 10 mm spacers, very good quality with some nice system when you can take them off easily, not like other spacers with no room. You've got 5 holes, special holes. Well, not the holes, I think just, I'm going to show you that, where you can use a screwdriver and just easily take the spacer out, which is very nice. They cost 50 euros, something like this, plus the bolts. So altogether 60, 70, yeah, something like 70 euros, which is cheap for me and very good quality, very light, 250 grams for 10 mil, excellent. Okay, so that's how it looks with 10 mil spacer. I think it's perfect. Nice camber. I'm gonna go for full alignment. What I will do CS alignment. So it might be M2 CS after the springs. Spacers in the front only. I don't touch the rear. Rear is okay for me. But the front was hidden for about 7 mil, so I did 10 mil because I can find nice 7 mil spacers. Okay. Cam, how to zoom it? Okay, so this is when you see it from the back of the car. Yeah, I pulled it up a bit, or lifted, sorry. That's why it's not so low, but when I'm gonna drive it, it should be about 1 centimeter, 15 mil maybe. So 10-15 mil over that bill. I'm gonna have to show you how it looks after a while, because the springs will sit and settle, wherever you call it, and then it should be a perfect drop for me for the M2. Okay, so that's how the box looks. I've got 10 extended bolts. The factory one is 28 mil. The extended one should be 38 mil or 40. The minimum is 38 because it's 10 mil spacer, so you need 10 mil longer bolt to safely fit it to the car. Inside the box, this is the minimum you have to measure. For 10 mil, it's minimum 11.5 mil. I had 11.9, so it's okay. I fit it, we'll see how it works. No shaking or vibration. Very light forged aluminum. That's on the back. Okay, so that's the system. Sorry for bad quality. And that's the part number. So look how high the wheel is in the arch. That's why when I fit spacer, it's gonna looks better. So this is how it looks. Okay, hope you enjoy and know how to replace or put spacers. Clean it first, and then I recommend this set of spacers because they're really light, good quality, and you can remove it easily comparing to the other one. So subscribe, watch my other videos. Hope you're gonna use it for any modifications in or repair in BMW M2 or other F-Series cars or other BMWs. Okay, cheers guys. All right.